Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we'll be covering how to use Power Query in Power BI. So Power Query is an advanced version of query mechanism that is made available by Microsoft both in Excel and Power BI, and it has got a tremendous power. I mean, it's really helpful when you are dealing with multiple files or a huge volume of data. So we'll see in this tutorial how to leverage Power Query in Power BI. So for that, let me do one thing. Open my current folder. So I have these two files. So these two files, which are mentioned as November and October. So these are two monthly files. So this data is downloaded from HM Land Registry monthly property transaction data. So these are published every month by HM Land Registry of UK about the monthly transactions. Okay, so in this kind of scenarios where you have multiple data set broken down by weeks, months, or maybe year, there are circumstances when you need to merge all this data, to collect all this data, and to start working on the visualization part. But before starting the visualization, the first part is to merge all the data. So that collation part times becomes super stressful, and Power Query helps us a lot. So we'll see how we can utilize Power Query in these circumstances. So what I have downloaded these two files for November and October. So these are, let me open this file. This contains the account customer and their details, okay, for the month of October, and similarly for the month of November. So this is actually a number and types of applications for value by all accounts customer. So this is the data set which is being downloaded. Okay, and if you want to do a preview of it, you can download these are the account customer FR, DFL, TP, DLG and total. So FR, DFL, TP, DLG and total. So this is the file that is downloaded, and for illustration purpose over here, I have got 2 months of file. One is for month of October and there is for the month of November. Now, one step is to kind of do pasting of data one below another, then starting with the visualization. So collating both these files and creating a single Excel file, and then starting with the visualization. But before doing that, let's see what is the size of this file. So the October has got almost close to 4,000 data rows, and November, let's see how many data rows do we have for the month of November. Okay, for the month of November, we have over 4,000. So approximately combined, we have 8,000 of data. So even if we collect this two data and merge it into a single file, we times might run into the risk of making a single file which might become really heavy. Okay, and it might reach a stage where you cannot do more addition, you cannot handle the file very efficiently. So in those circumstances, copying data one below another, pasting data one below another, and creating a single file, that particular approach might not be very helpful.